Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to enable or disable split screen on WhatsApp. So guys, let's start with wasting any time. First of all guys, you have to make sure that if you have an updated version of WhatsApp, for that you have to go to Play Store or App Store, and there you have to make sure that if you have an updated version. And if you want to enable split screen on WhatsApp, then make sure that you have joined beta program. And after that, go back home here, and after that you have to open settings from here guys. Just simply have to open settings. So once you have done this guys, just simply have to search for split screen. Here it is guys. Then make sure that you have turned this toggle on. So just simply have to turn this toggle on to enable split screen on WhatsApp. And if you want to disable it guys, then you have to leave the beta program of WhatsApp, and then you have to make sure that if this toggle is turned off, and then you have to clear cache or clear storage of WhatsApp, and then you have to log in your account again, and you can easily remove split screen from WhatsApp. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.